Using the principles of standard precautions, the nurse would wear gloves in what nursing interventions? Providing oral hygiene. T cells of the body attack and destroy pancreatic beta cells in type I diabetes. Which tablet is given under deworming program? Albendazole. The blood group contain no antibodies. A. What is the ultimate purpose and goal of performance improvement activities? To improve processes. Retained succensurate lobe of placenta may lead to all of the above. During ultrasound evaluation of a 32-week pregnant mother, amniotic fluid index value shows as 4. The nurse should identify which of the following. Oligohydramnios. A nurse aide can assist clients with their spiritual needs by allowing clients to talk about their beliefs. In Virginia Henderson's 1966 definition of nursing, a person client has which of the following numbers of fundamental needs? 14. Amniotic fluid contains acetylcholine esterase enzymes. What is the diagnosis? Open spina bifida. The following are contraindications of trial labor except 1 cent-degree CPD. The endothelium is located in the tunica internal. A nervus which helps in the process of smelling is olfactory nerve. Scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of which vitamin? Vitamin C. Commonest complication of intrauterine device? Bleeding. Your assigned client, who has been talking with the doctor about pain control, later asks you what the doctor meant by pain threshold. Which of the following would be the best reply? The amount of pain stimulation that it takes to cause pain. Simplified partograph should be used for every female in labor. When pain impulses are transmitted via the A delta fibers, which of the following types of pain will your client have? Sharp, pricking pain. The position of patient during immediate postoperative period of tonsillectomy surgery is lateral position. Washerman's skin is a clinical feature of cholera. The 5-minute upgar of a baby delivered by C-section is recorded as 9. The most likely reason for this score is cyanosis of the hands and feet. Dental fluorosis is otherwise called as mottled enamel. Drugs used to increase the amount of secretion of bile are called as cholagogues. Magnesium sulfate toxicity in eclampsia is treated with calcium gluconate. When should one drink ORS? During diarrhea. A client is admitted to a mental health care unit with paranoid schizophrenia. The charge nurse should instruct the team members to avoid laughing or whispering in front of the client. When caring for a client taking parathyroid medication, which of the following nursing interventions is a priority? Monitor serum calcium levels. Immediate treatment of dog bites. Wash wound with soap and water. The first pill of oral contraceptives starts on which day after starting of menstruation? 5th day. The reduction of insulin leads to diabetes. Cardiac failure is most likely in pregnancy at 4th stage of labor. The universal precautions include all of the above. Which of these is a cyanotic heart disease? TOF. Which one of the following blood group is universal recipient? Where is the best site for examining for the presence of petechiae in an African American client? The soles of the feet. Which of the following is a correct measurement of urinary output? 300 cc. Apgar score for color done at 5 minutes after birth is recorded as 2. It indicates pink. An antibiotic used in cancer chemotherapy. Daunorubicin. Which of the following condition is the top contraindication in the use of fertility drugs? Primary ovarian failure. The solution used to disinfect the bed linen of HIV-infected patient. Sodium hypochlorite. Preoperative nursing care includes provide complete description of surgery, preparation of patient, exercise and pain relief. The lowest level of needs in Maslow's hierarchy of needs is which of the following? Physiologic needs. Which corneal layer is unable to regenerate? Bowman's membrane. HbA1c Plus program covers the child until the age of 1 year. Which of the following reasons is the most important, as well as the most widely accepted, reason for nurses using nursing process? Communicate with other members of the team. 18 years old Primigravid is admitted with severe pregnancy-induced hypertension. She has given intravenous magnesium sulfate. The nurse should monitor which one of the following information: respiratory rate every hour. A patient treated for infertility with clomiphene presence with sudden onset of abdominal pain and distension with ascites. Probable cause is hyperstimulation syndrome. The study of distribution and determinants of the disease is called epidemiology. Which of the following is the organism that causes peptic ulcer disease? Helicobacter pylori. Which of the following checks of the casualty is give the first priority? Airway and breathing.